Enabling age restricted content on Discord mobile is pretty simple. Open your Discord app, click on the setting icon. You have to go to the privacy and safety option. Here you can simply just see user settings, and here you can just simply see an option of allow access to age restricted commands from apps and that message. Just simply enable it and you're good to go. Also, you can create your NSFW channels. Just click on the create new channel button. Here you just need to create a channel with NSFW channel name. Go to the setting of the channel, click on age restricted channel, and just simply click on continue, and that's it. Everything's good. Now all you need to do is just simply follow the step-by-step guideline in the video and you are good to go. This video is a step-by-step guideline. So Discord is a pretty simple app to chat or with your friends, families, and watch together something. Discord is a pretty app. You can try to download it. It's super simple, available on App Store or Play Store, and I'll see you in the next one.